Hey, my name is Jonathan with Driving Academy, and I'm here to tell you today that our mission is to help 1 million people get on their road to freedom. That's right, I said 1 million people. That might sound like a crazy goal to some, but that's the kind of goals that we go after. The crazy big goals to change the world. Now, if we can affect 1 million people and help them get one step closer on the road to freedom, that means that we have become successful. Now, of course, I cannot do this by myself. I have a fantastic team around me, and we're looking to grow our team every single day. But this video is going to show you exactly what our plan is and how we plan to get to our goal. So we've developed the different culture points that all of our team members must follow in order to be successful in our organization. Now, if you look at this poster over here, this is a poster that we have hanging out in our offices all over the place, so our team never loses focus and they stay on mission. So what we're going to be doing today, I'm going to be walking you through each individual item on our culture list, and we're going to be explaining why that's so important to our team and how it's going to get us closer to our mission. As you notice on this poster, every single culture item is number 1, which means simply this: everything is equally important. Number 1 item on our culture list is accept responsibility. In order to get a goal this big of helping 1 million people get to the road to freedom, myself and my team all have to accept responsibility for our own actions and for others around us. If we accept responsibility, that means we no longer become a victim. We never hear, "Oh, that wasn't my fault," or "I didn't do that." It's accept responsibility. Because when somebody accepts responsibility, then they can control their future and they can control what happens around them. If you ever take the victim route, which means that wasn't my fault, I didn't do this, this happened to me, now you're not accepting responsibility for what happened, whether it was to you or for somebody around you, and now it's much harder to get to our goal, which is helping 1 million people get on the road to freedom. So a very, very important pillar in our organization is accept responsibility for your actions and for the ones around you. Everything that happens to you happens because of you. Don't forget that. Also, number 1 is taking initiative. Taking initiative is important in our organization. It's also important in life in general. If you take initiative with everything that you do, and if you stay focused on our mission, and you use that to guide your decisions on what to take initiative on, then you're going to be focused, and we're all going to be moving together as a team to help every individual out that we can. 1 million people is a lot of people to get help, so we all must take initiative together and focus on one main goal. Number 1, positivity. That's right. Being positive is a very powerful asset. It's a very important pillar that we have at our organization. All of our staff members and team members here are told to stay positive as much as possible. We understand that this might be hard sometimes because we have outside factors happening that might want to bring us down. But if we control ourselves and if we stay positive throughout any situation, then it makes it a lot easier and makes our head a lot clearer on focusing on our mission, which is to help 1 million people get to their road to freedom. Stay positive. Number 1, hardworking. Of course, in order to achieve a mission this big, we are all going to have to work extremely hard to get closer and closer to our goal. We just started this mission, and now we have a whole way to go. So, hardworking. What do I mean by that? Show up to actually work. So all of our staff members here and all of our students here, when they show up to work. They don't show up to play around. They don't show up to waste time. They're here to work hard. They're here to make a purpose in life. They're here to get closer to our goal. Number 1, honesty. Now, when you're working with me in my organization, honesty is one of my most important assets here. I have a few rules when you're working with me in my organization. Don't lie to me, and don't steal from me. And those 2 things are both have to do with honesty. If you stay honest about what your actions were and what you have done, then there is no reason to lie. There is no reason to steal. And now that's one less thing that us as an organization has to work on together to weed out. So if we're just honest with each other, which we are, we're going to be moving forward and getting closer to our goal. Number 1, be dedicated to growth. Now, I'm here to go for the moon. And I'm looking to bring people on my team that are going to go with the moon with me. So if you're looking to stay where you are and like the status quo, then you're probably not going to be the best fit for our team here, because one of our very important pillars in our organization is be dedicated to growth. So growth in which way? Growth as a company. So the company is looking to expand. We're going to be looking to expand in every single state of the country. That's the only way that we're going to be able to get to our goal of helping 1 million people get on the road to freedom. We also are dedicated to growth as an individual as well. So every single day, our team members are focused on growing their skill set and growing their abilities to help our students, to help everybody else get closer to our goal, right? And this is also what we do as a company. This is the foundation of our company. We actually help people grow every single day. We help people grow their skill set on all their driving skills, whether it's a truck driving skill, a bus driving skill, or a car driving skill. We're here to help people grow. So, be dedicated to growth. Number 1, clean and organized. Our staff members already know to stay very clean and organized. If you walk into any of our schools, you're going to see it's going to be extremely clean and organized. Anytime that there's a mess, anytime that there's a clutter, that's one more thing that's going to take us off the focus of our mission, which is to help 1 million people get to the road to freedom, which means it makes it that much harder for us to get closer to our mission. So we're going to make sure everything stays clean, everything stays organized, clean mind, clean workspace, clean organization, so then we can move forward and we have less problems moving ahead. Number 1, mission focused. What does this mean? Now, I already told you multiple times that our mission is to help 1 million people get to the road to freedom. So if all of our actions that we do as a company are mission focused, which means anytime that question comes up, we ask ourselves, is this going to get closer to our mission? Is this going to help us get closer to our mission? If the answer is yes, we go ahead and we do it. For instance, if we're going to go make a video on something, we're going to ask ourselves, hey, is this going to get closer to our mission? Yes. If a student comes in and they need some directions on life, is this going to help us get closer to our mission? Yes. Our mission is to help people. So if you help enough people get what they want, you eventually get what you want in return, and you have to stay mission focused in order to do that. Number 1, family. Family is a very important part. Here at Driving Academy, we treat everybody like family and with respect. Like a family, we're looking to grow and prosper with each other as we grow together. As a family member here, you're always looking out for each other. So if us here together as a team are calling ourselves family and getting close to each other and hugging and laughing with each other and having a good time, then it's just going to make work and our mission a whole lot easier and a whole lot more fun, because we're going to have purpose and we're going to be doing it with the people that we love. Number 1, respect yourself and others. This is a very important pillar in our culture as well. Now, why is this so important? As you might already guess, if you have no self-respect for yourself, how could you ever perform the proper duties needed to help us get to our mission, which is to help people? So those are our 10 pillars here at Driving Academy, and this is how we plan to lay our foundation down and then grow and expand dramatically. We're looking to help 1 million people get to the road to freedom. We already talked about that, which is a huge goal. In order to do that, we must have our foundation in place, and that's what we are currently working on now. Once the foundation is in place and the pillars are all in the ground, then it's time to expand like crazy. So if you've been watching our videos and you're liking what you see, please subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, and like this video. We want to see a whole bunch of likes on this video to help us and encourage us get closer to our mission. Also, please find us on Facebook or Instagram, and we're always pushing out content on a weekly basis to make sure that you are satisfied and you're getting closer to your goal. So, if this video helped you out at all, maybe it's going to help you out with your life and how to structure your culture as an individual to grow and to achieve your mission, I hope this helped you out. My name is Jonathan at Driving Academy, and we're here to get you on your road to freedom. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next video.